Welcome to our Graphic 45 Volume 9 monthly kit introduction video. I'm Shari Philamahala and I am excited to show you what we're going to be creating this month. We're going to be using our Home Sweet Home Deluxe Collector's Edition to create all of these projects and have some exclusive products up our sleeve just for both of these kit clubs. So to show you what we're going to be creating with our Club G45 Volume 9, we'll be creating this adorable chipboard recipe box. And you will see that it has this cute, nice functional drawer down here. And then along with that, we'll be creating 8 divider cards. So of course, this is great for storing all of your favorite recipes. But if you want to think outside of the box, you can also use this for lots of other purposes, such as a photo organizer. So you could use it just how you see here and have these organize your photos. You could also use this as a little mail center. You could store envelopes or cards and stamps and pens in there. It would be a fun addition to your craft room as well, storing your embellishments or stamps using this. So this has been created for us this month by the wonderful and talented Annette Green. And not only has she created the project design for us, she's also created this chipboard kit for us. So we are excited to have this club exclusive recipe box chipboard kit. So it's going to have all the chipboard pieces already cut out for you and ready to go in the kit. And then you'll be getting, of course, the colored project sheet that'll show you step by step how to do everything. Along with the video tutorial, we'll go hand in hand with that project sheet so you can watch while you create along. And then we'll be using our antique brass claw feet and the Home Sweet Home Deluxe Collector's Edition that comes with 24 gorgeous double-sided sheets, 2 sticker sheets, and a chipboard sheet to add some nice dimension. And like I mentioned earlier, that we'll be creating 8 of these divider cards, which if you'll be using this unconventionally, maybe as a storage, you could always use these divider cards to create some greeting cards. They've got a lot of great space. You could just pop this onto a card front and turn that into a card. Or you could just punch some holes in the side and using some binding clips that you've got left over or some ribbons at home, you could turn it into a really fun mini album that way as well. So to pick up this kit or subscribe to our Club G45, it's easy peasy. Just hop on over to our website, G45papers.com, and under our Club G45 category, you can find where you can subscribe, where you'll get a good a kit like this every single month. You'll get at least a $50 value of product, and we use new products every month, as well as teaching you 2 different tutorials along with it. So you can subscribe, or you can just pick up this kit if you'd like. You'll just want to click that kit button instead of the subscription button to pick up just the kit. Or if you want to find a local G45 retailer near you, we've got that store locator on our website as well, up in the top right-hand corner. So click on that and you can find a local G45er all around the world waiting to welcome you into the wonderful world of Graphic 45. And of course, if you ever need help locating our products, we're always happy to help you. Just send us an email at info@g45papers.com and we'll find the closest store to you as well. Now to hop on over to our G45 card club this month, Ginger Ropp, who creates our card club every month, has created some really fun and unique designs using our exclusive Home Sweet Home 8x8 papers. So for the Deluxe Collector's Edition, we only sell the papers in the 12x12. So to get the 8x8 papers, you're gonna have to pick up the kit or subscribe. And then we are gonna be creating these really fun interactive tag flap cards. So each one's gonna come with a cute little belly band. And then we'll show you 3 different unique designs on how you can use our large tags to create some really fun cards. So with this, you'll be able to create a total of 6 different cards using those 3 different designs. And I'll show you in the tutorial a walkthrough on how to create each of those. And then this month with your kit, you'll be getting the 8x8 exclusive papers along with our heavy duty craft card bases and envelopes. You get 6 of each of those, and our Graphic 45 large craft tags, as well as the Home Sweet Home sticker set. So we're going to be having a lot of fun creating this month. Hop on over to our website to pick up these cards at G45papers.com, or just pick up some supplies that you've got at home and create along with us. So let's go ahead and jump into those tutorials. You can find those in the description below. There's links to each of these tutorials, and let's go ahead and have some fun.